16-8 priority. Southbound. 1680 is picking up speeds are about 95. 1680, is there a helicopter available?
2
1570, what are our speeds?
Speed is 76 right now.
376, 427.
Trying to get next to him at Port Road and go around. Coming up to Felon. Straight through, rambling.
2134, late 23, perfect.
Blowing the red over 23. 2 reds over 23.
Got 023.
He's having a hard time shifting right now.
Good, John, I'm trying to box him in.
I got you.
Motor kick back up.
They almost lost. It's still southbound. Still.
Copy, just be advised you are approaching a dead end on Moorish there.
Clear. We're kind of on a 2-track right now. It's getting really narrow. Still southbound.
They crashed. They crashed through a march.